How to change your Google account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account password in just few simple steps. Whether you want to boost your account security or just think it's time for an update, this guide is for you. So grab your device and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google. Once you are in the Google, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top right corner and the pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Manage your Google account. After tapping, you will head to your Google account. Once you are in the Google account, simply scroll over to the personal info. Once you are there, simply scroll down and tap on Passport. And the Google will ask you to enter your current password or ask for your biometric fingerprint to confirm that it's you. Go ahead and complete the procedure, and now it's time for you to set a new password. Make sure that it's strong, and once you have typed your new password, you can simply tap on change password. And that's it, your password will be updated. And that's how you can change your Google account password in just few easy steps. Staying top of your account security has never been more important, so make sure to keep your password strong and unique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.